Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to lock the steering on the TVS King, and because you don't want to be driving around in circles all day, we'll also show you how to unlock it. We've had an inquiry about how you lock the steering on the TVS King. It's very simple. First, turn the steering all the way to the right. Put the key in, push and twist anti-clockwise, twist clockwise, take the key out, and the steering is locked. I'll show you that from a different angle. To unlock it, again you put the key in, twist anti-clockwise, let it come out, twist back clockwise, and as you can see the steering is now unlocked. Move above, turn the steering to the right, push your key in and twist anti-clockwise, twist it back clockwise, and it's locked. Let me try to get another camera angle so you can see even better. Just to shift the camera. Okay, so just turn the steering all the way to the right, put the key in, twist it anti-clockwise and push. Give the steering a little wiggle if it don't twist back to clockwise. Take the key out and it's locked. To unlock, just twist it anti-clockwise, let the button come out, twist back clockwise, take the key out, and it's unlocked. Let's attach it to the handbrake and see if we can get a better there. So I turn the steering all the way to the right, put the key in, twist anti-clockwise and push, twist back clockwise, and it's locked. To unlock, push your key in, twist anti-clockwise, let the button come out, twist back clockwise, take the key out, and it's unlocked. So, very simple. If there's any more info you need, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. We really do need more subscribers so we can keep producing these videos for you.